Namaste children. This lesson is for class 8th Andhra Pradesh state syllabus students. Rational numbers. Let us revise the various numbers that we learnt in our earlier classes. Number 1. Counting numbers are natural numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc. Whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 like that. The difference between whole numbers and natural numbers is natural numbers plus 0. Negative numbers, for example, -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9, etc. Now, integers, for example, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from this we understand that set of integers means whole numbers plus negative numbers. Now study the given table. In this table, timings and temperature at that particular timing is given. So at 10 a.m., the temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. At 12 noon, it is 14 degrees Celsius. At 3 p.m., it is 17 degrees Celsius. At 7 p.m., it is 10 degrees Celsius. At 10 p.m., it is 5 degrees Celsius. In each case, let us calculate the temperature per hour. In the table you notice, for every hour the temperature is not taken. So, morning hours change in temperature. Morning hours means from 10 a.m. to 12 noon. So the time difference is 2 hours. At 12 noon, the temperature is 14 degrees Celsius. At 10 a.m., it is 11 degrees. So the difference in temperature is 14 degrees minus 11 degrees, that is 3 degrees Celsius. This difference is for 2 hours. So for 1 hour, it would be 3 by 2 degrees Celsius. Now, let us check the temperature change between 12 noon to 3 p.m. At 3 p.m., the temperature is 17 degrees Celsius. At 12 noon, it is 14 degrees Celsius. And the difference in time is 3 hours. So, 17 degrees minus 14 degrees by 3. That means 1 degree Celsius. So now, let us check the change in temperature in the evening hours. Evening hours means 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. The time is 4 hours. The temperature at 7 p.m. is 10 degrees. The temperature at 3 p.m. is 17 degrees. So, the change in temperature is 7 degrees Celsius. Time difference is 4 hours. So, change in temperature per hour is -7 by 4 degrees Celsius. So now let us check the change in temperature during night hours. Night hours means from 7 p.m. to 10 p.m. The time is 3 hours. The temperature at 10 p.m. is 5 degrees. The temperature at 7 p.m. is 10 degrees. So the difference in temperature is minus 5 degrees. The difference in time is 3 hours. So change in temperature per hour is minus 5 by 3 degrees Celsius. In the above cases, we come across numbers like 3 by 2, 1, minus 7 by 4, and minus 5 by 3. The numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. Let me repeat. The numbers which are expressed in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0, are called rational numbers. They are represented by Q. They are also called quotient numbers. Let me repeat. They are represented by Q. These are also called quotient numbers. We can express any natural number in the form P by Q. For example, 5 as 5 by 1 and 10 as 10 by 1. Similarly, we can express any whole number, for example, 0 as 0 by 1, 0 by 2, etc. We can express any integer, for example, minus 3 as minus 3 by 1 or minus 6 by 2. So, we conclude that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are also rational numbers. Let me repeat. We conclude that all natural numbers, all whole numbers, and all integers are also rational numbers.